After being a YouTube creator for more than 11 years now, I have been through a lot of camera equipment, and I want to share with you guys today for $100 or less which cameras, microphones, lighting, equipment, tripods is worth your money and what is totally not. It's coming up. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer and welcome to Video Creators. This channel is all about helping you guys grow a YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and changes their lives. And you need camera equipment to do that. Now for $100, you can't get a whole lot as far as cameras are concerned, except for this little guy. I have been using this webcam for a few years now, and it is rock solid. Mac, PC, Linux, doesn't matter. There's really not a better quality camera I've found for under $100 that works as good as this Logitech does. You don't need any fancy equipment to hook it up. It's USB, so you just plug it straight into the USB port of your computer, and you get 1080p crisp, sharp, quality image from this. And the cool thing is that not only can you record videos on your computer with this, but you can also use it for live streaming, for video conferencing, and anything else on your computer that requires you showing your face. Of course, you can also use your phone. This doesn't cost $100 or less, but you might already have your phone, and so if you do, this could be a free way of shooting videos. This is actually what I used when I got started here on Video Creators of this channel. Go back and look at first videos here. It was just me putting my phone on a tripod and talking straight to the phone. That's all it was, right here. In terms of microphones, I have found that for my desktop, this little guy right here, the Samson C01U condenser microphone, this thing served me very well for about 5 or 6 years. What I like about it is that it's very isolating. It just kind of picks up what's right here. So if there's a lot of other noise coming from behind your computer or from elsewhere in the room, it does a good job of canceling that out and just taking like whatever's speaking into it like right about here. So, and it's really high quality. Again, this is a USB microphone, so you don't need any fancy switchboards or anything, just USB straight out of here and into the USB port of your computer. If you're recording video on your phone, I found it really helpful to use an external microphone, not just a microphone in the phone. This is the Rode VideoMic Me. You can also get the Rode VideoMic Go. This is like a dead cat that goes on top so that it kind of shuts down all the wind that you know if you're outdoors, or it just slides right off and you can just plug it straight into your phone. Right here, it's universal fit, so this kind of slides on and then just kind of goes until it pinches with your phone. Again, this one also does a good job of canceling out noises coming from behind it and just picking up your voice from the front. If you're shooting from your phone, another good option is to get a lavalier mic that you can just pin right onto, clip right onto yourself here and plug into your phone. And the one that I recommend is the Rode SmartLav for smartphones. And what this allows you to do is to hold your phone out and record your video and plug your microphone straight into your phone, so that wherever you're at, wherever you're looking, your audio stays with you, and even if wind comes by or something, like you're getting good solid audio from yourself into your phone, because the closer your voice is to the microphone, the better the quality is going to be. Now you also need a good support system for your camera, and I love the GorillaPods. Can you tell? This one's like perfect for a mobile device. It's nice and small and lightweight. You can bend it, flex it, whatever if you want to like wrap it around a pole, or it's just like really portable. And this one would be like a mid-size one for a point and shoot camera, and then they go all the way for like DSLRs and bigger ones too. I love like the ball head on this is nice and solid and sturdy. These Jobies, I've had this thing for years. It has served me well. I love them. This thing is really flexible. You use it a lot of different ways, but if you need something that's going to be like the same height as you, this obviously won't work. In that case, you're going to need something a little bit bigger that has legs that extend and fold out all the way, and that will give you a much better height. The one that I recommend is the Amazon Basics 60-inch tripod. For under $100, it is a good solid system that will support your DSLR, your phone, whatever camera you put on, it'll support it just fine. When it comes to making your video look good, what most people don't realize is it's actually mostly about the lighting and less about the actual camera. This is a nice portable one that can go right under the hot shoe of your camera and mount right on top. It takes 6 AA batteries, or you can put like your camera's battery in there too if you want, but 6 AA is usually what I use. It has an on-off switch right here. You can just flip it on, make it, and adjust the brightness, scroll it down, turn it off, and a handy button in the back, and you can check the battery level. See how you're doing. You know, my batteries are high. Now, I cracked mine, so yours probably won't look like this, but it does have replaceable gels that you can take out. I have a few different ones that come with it, so you can kind of change the tone and the color of what you want your image to look like. Now, when using this light, I have found that it's kind of tempting to want to turn it all the way up, but I have found that doing so kind of makes you look like you're just being blasted at headlights. So I recommend that you turn it down and use it mostly just for fill light. Not to like gotta blast your subject, but just kind of use it to fill in the shadows or whatever you need to make the subject look more presentable. Another option is to go with umbrella lights like these. I have used these for years for lighting many different videos, and what I like about them is that they're very inexpensive, they're very portable, and they're easy to use. But they are not very bright, and that's okay. Like, you don't really need a lot of light, you just need light being shown in the right places the right way. I highly recommend you look up something online called 3-point lighting, and that'll help you know better how to use these as a key light, a fill light, and even a backlight. Another lighting option, which is one that I use almost every day, is right here in my office. The lights I'm using right now for this video right here that you're seeing right there, those are Chinese lantern, paper Chinese lanterns, and they cost somewhere around, like at IKEA for $5. You can get them on Amazon for, you know, $10, $15. I like hanging them right next to my computer because whenever I'm on my webcam doing like a video conference call or something, they light me very well as the whole room, but putting more light on me because I'm closer to them, and they just do like a really fantastic job. You just need to buy the paper lantern and then the cord that goes with it, and then a light bulb. And you can see right now how those lights make me look. The main thing to keep in mind though is that these things are made out of paper, so don't put bulbs in them that can get really hot. I highly recommend that you get daylight temperature LED light bulbs. Especially get daylight bulbs if you are using these in a room where you have lots of windows and there'll be other light coming in, then these bulbs will match that same light and make it look just amazing. I'll put links to all of this stuff in the description below, so go check them out. In full disclosure, some of those are affiliate links, so thank you for supporting me and my channel here as I do my best to support you guys. I'll also put a link down there that goes to other tools and other equipment that I use that does cost more than $100 in case you have a little bit more range on your budget or you're willing to spend a little bit more for your camera or something like that. Go check out that. It's called Tools I Use, and it's all the gear that I use to produce this and everything else on all my channels. Personally, I love buying my stuff from B&H Photo. They're not sponsoring this or anything. I just like using them because their customer service is amazing, great return policy. Usually the cheapest prices I can find anywhere, usually beating Amazon and everything else. And they deliver faster than Amazon, to me anyway, in my experience. And if you have any questions at all, they have like, you just call them. And I do that like with most of my gear purchases, and they are so helpful to really help me make the right choice in the budget that I have. I know a lot of you guys have experience with a lot of other equipment far beyond what I have. So share your recommendations. It has to be under $100 though for cameras, lighting, microphones, and tripods. Leave your recommendations down there. And the rest of you guys, if you want some other recommendations other than what I've provided here, go read those and you will learn a lot from them and get a lot of other ideas. So thank you guys for being a part of this awesome community. If you're not already, I'd love to have you subscribe. Every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, sometimes other days of the week too, we have videos just all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and changes their lives. Thank you for letting me be a small part of that. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. See you then. Bye.